right, it is not in the 40s anymore. It's warming up. So it is just making it to 60 degrees right now. Our humidity is low, only about 35%. And it's beautiful. Welcome to a beautiful Tuesday morning, December 3rd, day 3 of Advent Calendar Day. Don't have anything on today's agenda as far as sprinkling in the holiday. I'll figure that out perhaps, but I'm definitely going to start off with a nice warm cup of coffee. So join me on today's adventure. Okay, day number 3. And it's amaretto. Oh, I enjoy an amaretto flavor. Let's go check it out. All right, this morning I'm starting out with 2 tablespoons of vanilla. I don't have an actual creamer without any flavor, but vanilla will do. I mean, I could have used oat milk, I guess. I can tell you that I can smell this before even tasting it. It smells really good, like a whole bunch of cherries. It's good, but it needs more sweetener. I'm just gonna use a little Splenda. Have some sitting right in front of me. Not gonna put any syrup in it because all the syrups I have I don't think would go well with this flavor. It's okay. Not my favorite. I think the last 2 days were way better than this day. But that's okay. We learn as we go along. All right, so let's now check out which wine we are going to do today. All right. That was an easy break. And today is a Cabernet Sauvignon. All right, let's see what we have in store. Okay, aromas of ripe blackberries, dark cherries, a touch of vanilla. On the palate of plum, cassis, and hits of cocoa. I do like wines that tend to have that cocoa on the end, and lingering impressions of spice and black fruits. All right, let's see what the pairings are. Grilled ribeye steak with blue cheese butter. We are not having that. Braised short ribs, no. And grilled portobello mushrooms, definitely no for me. I know that Evan is having his homemade sauce that he has in the freezer that has beef in it. He'll be having that. I will not. I don't eat a whole lot of beef. The soup the other day, I had like a couple of bites of beef. The rest of it, I was just eating the vegetables. And anyway, so I'm not sure what I'm having, but I'll have him give you the taste of the wine with his meat sauce. But we will have the cheese later, so I will do that later today. Hi, Wendy from the future, and I am here to tell you what I was saying here because the audio was completely silent. I'm not quite sure what happened. I think I might know, but anyway, I was trying to tell you that I was going to a place called OLLIE'S to try to find a calendar. We have a bookstore, or had a bookstore here where I live in Tampa that closed down because they're building a new location on the other side of the street and down a little ways, and it's not done yet. So I just put my sunglasses on in this, and now I am driving, and the next thing you'll see will be me at Ollie's. And there it is. I have never been to the store. So let's go in and check it out. Wow, it's a huge book section. Huge book section. This is great. What a great place to find kids' books. What is this? Oh, this is a book. Only $9. That's really a good price. This is a great store for books. They also have all of puzzle books like crosswords and word searches. Great things to take on an airplane with you to keep yourself busy if you don't feel like reading. And also it's supposed to keep your brain young. Oh, wow. These are all coffee books. These are greeting cards. Wow. This is the place to come for gift wrap. Well, the dollar store is pretty good too. These are 60 sheets for $1.99. And now the dollar store is $1.25 for everything, so this is a good deal. Collection of calendars are not the best, but they're only $2.99 versus $15 that you normally spend. So I'm gonna look through here and see if there's anything that I can use for next year. Wendy from the future again. Once again, my camera did not work when I plugged it into the car. I was showing you the stickers I got from my nephew. I also came home with a calendar, and now I'm going to go home and open the cheese advent to show you what is going to be paired with tonight's wine. And here I'm telling you that I am not having beef sauce because it was actually beef broth instead. So instead we're having French onion soup. All right, it is time to see what is being paired with the cab. It is, oh no, it's a goat cheese. I'm usually not a fan of goat cheese. I will give it a whirl, but probably not gonna like it. Jeff, he just informed me that goat means greatest of all time. Really? All right, we're gonna taste the wine. It smells good. You're making faces.
No. But I do think it'll change with the cheese because this is so heavy.
Yeah, you want to open that? I'm not gonna like the cheese.
It's extremely acidic.
Not as acidic as some of the other ones we've had. It's more acidic than, it's not as acidic as the one we had at Cooper's Hawk. You can have a bite first. You can have most of it. I'm gonna take a nibble. All right, this is not gonna be pleasant. It doesn't smell like goat. Does it taste like goat?
Tastes good. Not bad.
That means I'm not gonna like it. You're laughing already. Ooh, it makes me shiver. Why? Ooh. No, the whole thing.
Much better. Try it with a piece of cheese.
No, I did.
No, you didn't.
I can't get past the taste of the goat. It lingers like forever. It lingers forever. You can have all of the goat cheese. And next time it comes up, I'm not even trying it because I know I'm not gonna like it.
I think you said that last year too.
Yeah, I think I did too. Because it doesn't matter. It's not going to change the taste of the wine for me because I can't get over the taste of the goat. Now, the only other one this year that I don't know if I'm going to like is black truffle. I don't know if that's a different taste than the white truffle. We had truffle in Italy, and that was the first time I've ever actually liked it. But yeah, we'll see. I am going to save some though because I want to taste this with the... What are we having? French onion soup. I want to try this with the French onion soup because the base of the soup is beef broth. So I'll be back to try that next, but I am not eating the rest of that goat cheese. That is all for you. This looks incredible. We didn't have Gruyere cheese tonight, but this is Swiss instead, which a lot of restaurants do use Swiss, I think.
Well, it's much less expensive than Gruyere.
But Gruyere is obviously the cheese you really want to do. So I'm going to take a bite of this and then taste the wine behind it. It's not bad. I still don't think this wine is my favorite. You sure don't want to try?
I still don't think this is a good pairing. I mean,
yeah,
the soup is fine with the wine,
yeah.
But I don't see the pairing from the standpoint of a change in flavor.
No, it doesn't. No, or
an enhancement to the wine.
It recommended a steak, basically. So, which is what cabs normally do. All right, well, that's going to do it for today. Little disappointed in the pairing of the wine and the cheese today, and the coffee was okay. So, looking on to bigger and brighter tomorrow.
Maybe the next cab will do lamb chops, a rack of lamb.
I am not doing lamb. He knows I don't like lamb. On that note, thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow on tomorrow's adventure.